come up, they all want it. Where was you at from the beginning in this game?
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Doing this by myself today. Samuel's inside, but just picked up a new car. 2007 Cadillac Sts 4 V6 all-wheel drive. Got about 111,000 miles. Just put brand new brakes on. See there, I'll show you that video. Will be in this. It's got winter tires on it right now, but it's got another set with rims. Overall, pretty clean car. It's got a few dents, but no major rust underneath, especially being from New York. I got the drilled and slotted rotors all the way around. You can see a little bit of damage up front there. See the bumper's a little messed up. Fog lights out, but we'll get that fixed. Got a little bit of rust there, but nothing major. Should be a lot better on fuel than that thing, because when you're driving an hour and a half a day, you need something that gets good fuel mileage. So yeah, that's that. I'm sure you'll see more of it, but it's just a quick video of it. For a quick video of the interior here, got heated and cooled leather seats, heated steering wheel, cruise control, and all that on there. Got the Bose sound system, power windows, obviously. It's got the sunroof up there, which works. Yeah, just a basic radio. 5-speed automatic. There's your heated and cooled seats down there. Dual climate controls. Passenger gets a cooled seat. It's got a nice wood grain all along inside here. So it's overall a really nice car. Push button start. It's got everything you could want. Working on the Cadillac today. Gonna do some brakes. And then we'll show you it. So stay tuned. Alright guys, we got the wheel off, so there's the brakes. Those rotors are pretty bad. I don't know how the pads are under there, but we got the caliper almost off, so we'll pull this rotor off and see what the pads look like. I'll show you what the new rotors are supposed to look like over here. So there's the new ones. Got drilled and slotted just because they're the same price as regular, so I'll show you those a little better.
With this.
There's Faith. What are those from?
From the junkyard.
Yeah, but what are they out of?
King Ranch seats.
Yeah, King Ranch seats.
But this one is not King Ranch seats.
No, that's a Lincoln seat.
Yeah.
What are they for?
This
Samuel bought them for something.
And the junkyard.
Yeah.
Yeah. This one's a junkyard one.
All right, let's get back to work. Alright, there's the old rotor. Look at that. Pretty bad. Alright, let's get the new one on. Okay? Ready? Okay. Alright guys, here's the new rotor. As you can tell, a big difference from the old one. Nice and shiny, so that's that. Spray it down with brake clean and we'll throw it on there. Alright, got the brake pads off. So there's the old brake pads and there's the new ones. And go throw those on. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.